listen to the question and answers and improve your English. Subscribe for more.
Let's go.
Hi, I am Alok.
Hi, Alok, I am Emma.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What class do you read?
I complete master degree.
What is your school name?
My school name is Manas Valley Junior College.
What is your favorite movie?
I love Bollywood action movies.
I like comedies, they make me laugh.
Me too. Maybe we can watch a movie sometime.
What is your favorite language?
My favorite language English.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
What is your favorite music?
I like Spotify music.
How often do you read books?
I read books every day morning.
How long time do you read books?
I read book every day 5 hours.
What subject do you like?
I like English and math.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movie and play video game.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a pilot.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue and yellow.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
Are you married?
No, I am not married. I am alone.
What is your favorite juice?
I like mango juice.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like it a lot.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher's name is Mr. Lee.
How often do you have class?
I have class every day.
What time do you go to class?
I go at 9 a.m.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have some every day.
Do you enjoy doing homework?
Sometimes, but it's hard.
What do you do after class?
I go home and relax.
Do you watch TV every day?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
What do you like about him?
He is very talented.
When do you paint?
I paint on weekends.
What do you paint?
I paint landscapes.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What do you do in the morning?
I go for a walk in the morning.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
Where do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast in the kitchen.
How do you prepare for work?
I get ready quickly.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink tea in the morning.
How often do you clean your room?
I clean my room every day.
Where do you keep your phone?
I keep my phone in my bag.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I like trying new recipes.
What is your favorite drink?
I enjoy drinking fresh orange juice.
What is your favorite snack?
I love eating popcorn.
How long have you been studying English?
I have been studying English for 2 years.
What have you been doing all day?
I have been cleaning the house all day.
Why have you been waiting here?
I have been waiting for my friend to arrive.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games sometimes.
Where do you go for fun?
I go to the park for fun.
What season do you like?
I like spring and sunny weather.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days.
See you later, Emma.
Thank you. See you later, Alok.
Goodbye.